Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a HTTP error 500. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select the privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Select see all see data and permissions. In search you just need to search for the site you getting this error. Select the trash icon next to it and select delete option. Now on the left side select extensions and turn off all the extensions. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you need to switch network. You can use your mobile data from your PC using USB triggering or a hotspot feature. Just connect to the network and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you need to change browser. You can use Edge as an alternative to Chrome. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.